SubhanAllah, I remember being in a taxi in Medina. Afwan, I don't want to bore you with the stories, but we had a taxi in Medina. And the taxi driver, he heard us speaking English. So he spoke to us, and he spoke good English. He said to us, "Oh, mashallah, where are you from?" UK. He said, "Oh, I studied in Canada." He spoke very good English. He said, "I studied in Canada." So we talked to him, like, "How was it there? And what did you study?" And X, Y, and Z. And then he was silent for a period of time, which was `ajib. And then we can hear, we were sat at the back, and he was driving the car. And then we can hear him crying. So I was crying. I was like, "What? Why are you crying?" Then he told us what happened. He said, "I went to Canada to study." He said, "And I went with 2 other friends." So we went to Canada. And this was them going from a Muslim land, Medina, of all places, to a land of disbelief. They went to Canada. And what had happened, he said, those 2 friends that I went with, they left Islam. They left Islam. They apostated. I'm the only one who made it back with my religion. He said, when I came to Medina, I heard the adhan, I started to cry because of how distant we were from Islam. No adhan, no salah, no dhikr, nothing. Just them and their own devices. And Allah Azza wa Jal watching them. So he said, those 2 friends, they apostated. We said to him, how? Because that's rare. Yeah, you find Muslims go to the West and perhaps fall into sin. 𝗴𝗶𝗿𝗹. But to leave your whole religion, to abandon Islam, how? How does that happen? It reminds us of the hadith that we mentioned. The man will be a believer in the morning, disbeliever in the afternoon. Just like that. But we had to ask him, it's bugging us. How? Why? Why would they leave Islam? He said to us, one of them, he met Samantha. And Samantha is a Christian. And Samantha's parents said, we cannot have a Muslim in this house. You cannot marry a Muslim. Has to be a Christian. So he left his religion for Samantha. Look at that. يَبِيعُ دِينَهُ بِعَرَضٍ مِنَ الدُّنْيَا. He sells his religion for a small portion of the dunya. So he's with Samantha. Perhaps 2-3 years, Samantha leaves him. He left his religion for Samantha, Samantha leaves him. What's he left with now? Humiliation. You have nothing. It's humiliation. 𝗴𝗶𝗿𝗺. And this is the danger of going to these places.